All right, question 6. Consider the following spinners. So, you can play the spinner game where each player chooses a spinner, and the player who spins the greater number wins. So, question A, which spinner would you choose to play? Explain why. So, by looking at these, I see that spinner C only goes up to 3, and it has 2 ones, which are the lowest amount. Spinner D goes all the way up to 4, but it also has a 3 and a 2. So it has the full range and spectrum. So the way I would choose is D because it has a higher number. The book says, sample answers might indicate that spinner D is a wise choice because the spinner 3 is also on spinner C, but the number 4 is on spinner D is greater than all the other numbers. Question B, play the spinner game 25 times. Well, you know what? That's not really relevant here because we're all going to get different results. Okay, so let's go ahead and skip down. We're going to skip question C because that has to do with playing the spinner game 25 times. Here's just what it says if you want to read it. All right, question D. Give the possible outcomes for these two spinners as ordered pairs with the results from spinner C. So remember, what you're going to do is you're going to write down each of the results if you spun on C. So spinner C, you could land on a 1, or you could land on a 3, or you could land on a 2, or you could land on a different one. Remember, these both have the label of 1, but they're each different slots that are on here that you could land on. So 1 would be listed twice. Now, if I land on a 1 here, I could land on a 1 here, or a 2, or a 3, or another 2, or a 4, or another 2. So that would be, like I said, if I landed on spinner 1, it would be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Well, you know what? Let me just go ahead and show you. So here's all your possible results from the spinner outcomes. All right, notice that there is 24 outcomes because, where is it? Because 4 times 6 is 24. So you have 1, 1, 1, 2, or I'm sorry, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, because guess what? There's 3 2s over here, so the results are going to come 3 times. Just like you're going to have 2 spinner C's winning or landing on the C, or the 1 spot. All right. Question E. Find the probability of spinner C winning and spinner D winning. Okay, so when we look at these ordered pairs up here, right here in question D, when we look at these answers, what does it take for spinner C to win? Well, the number on the left has to be bigger than the number on the right. So how many times does that occur? All right, well, if you look, let's see, tie, smaller, 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 tie, smaller, 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 smaller. Here's 1, where it wins. Tie, 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 tie. Okay, tie, tie. Win, so that's 2 wins. There's another win, that's 3 wins. 4 wins, 5 wins, tie, loss. So 5 wins. So guess what? So question E, what is the probability? Well, 5 out of how many? 24. So the probability of spinner C winning is 5 out of 24. So if 5 out of 24, how many does D win? Well, remember, that's going to be where the second number in the ordered pair is bigger. So tie, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tie, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, loss, tie, 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 11, loss, 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 12. But I feel I might have miscounted. Okay, so let's double check my counting. This time I'm not going to say anything unless it's D winning. So, win, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there we go. There's all 13. All right. Question F. Is this a fair game? Well, do both people have the same odds of winning? No, we just said spinner D has better odds. So it is not a fair game because spinner D has a greater chance of winning. Question G. Which of the three lists below is most likely to represent 27 of the game for spinner C versus spinner D? Justify your choice. W means that C wins, L means that D wins, and T means a tie between C and D. All right, so I am going to go ahead